The intersecting secants exterior theorem has three other possible cases. And this video focuses on the angles formed by secant and tangent intersecting in the exterior of the circle. Secant and tangent intersecting at the point of tangency, and two tangents intersecting in the exterior of the circle. Case 1. The measure of an angle formed by a secant and a tangent that intersect in the exterior of a circle is 1/2 the difference of the measures of its intercepted arcs. In this illustration, the angle formed is angle KLN. The measure of angle KLN is equal to 1/2 the measure of the arc KMN minus the measure of the arc EN. Case 2. The measure of an angle formed by a secant and a tangent that intersect at the point of tangency is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. In this illustration, the angle formed is angle PQR. The measure of angle PQR is equal to 1/2 its intercepted arc, the measure of arc PQ. In case 3, the measure of an angle formed by two tangents intersect at the exterior of the circle is 1/2 the difference of the measures of its intercepted arcs. In this figure, the angle formed by the two tangents is angle CAT. The measure of angle CAT is equal to 1/2 the measure of arc CST, its bigger intercepted arc, minus the measure of arc CT, its small intercepted arc. Example 1. If the measure of arc ST is 195 and the measure of arc NT is 75 degrees, what is the measure of angle SET? This example illustrates case 1. To find the measure of angle SET, it is equal to 1/2 the measure of arc ST minus the measure of arc NT. Substitute the given values. This is equal to 1/2 quantity 195 minus 75, which is 1/2 of 120. Thus, the measure of angle SET is equal to 60 degrees. Example 2. The angle formed between two tangents intersecting in the exterior of the circle is 91 degrees. If one of its intercepted arcs measures 278 degrees, what is the degree measure of the other arc? 278 degrees is approximately the measure of the big intercepted arc. Let x be the measure of the small intercepted arc. 91 degrees is equal to 1/2 quantity 278 minus x. Applying the multiplication property of equality, that is 2 times 91 degrees is equal to 278 degrees minus x. X therefore is 278 minus 182, then x is 96 degrees. Example 3, in circle F, secant line BD intersect tangent line AG at point D. This illustrates case 2. If the measure of arc BED is 3x minus 4 and the measure of angle GDC is 2x minus 7, find x. Notice that angle BDA and angle GDC are vertical angles. Recall that a pair of vertical angles are congruent. Therefore, their measures are equal. The measure of angle BDA is equal to the measure of angle GDC. The measure of angle BDA is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Its intercepted arc is arc BED, which measures 3x minus 4, is equal to 2x minus 7. By multiplication property of equality, 3x minus 4 is equal to 2 times 2x minus 7. By distributive property, 3x minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 14. Combining like terms, that is 14 minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 3x. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Example 4. In the figure on the left, secant ray NR and tangent ray OB intersect circle C at N. If the measure of angle BNR is equal to 127 degrees, find the measure of its intercepted arc and angle ONR. Let's solve for the measure of arc RTN. RTN, or the arc RTN, is the intercepted arc of angle BNR. The measure of angle BNR is equal to 1/2 the measure of arc RTN. The measure of angle BNR is 127 degrees, equal to 1/2 of the measure of arc RTN. By multiplication property of equality, that is 2 times 127 is equal to the measure of arc RTN. Therefore, the measure of arc RTN is equal to 254. Next is solve for the measure of angle ONR. Notice that angle BNR and angle ONR are adjacent angles. Therefore, they are supplementary, and their sum is equal to 360 degrees. To get the measure of angle ONR, subtract 360 degrees by 127 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle ONR is equal to 233 degrees. So that's it. I hope you've learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Bye!